My people, wonder shall never end. You see these Oloris, they can never rest oh. They can never rest. Anyway, why would they rest? They want Kabiyesi all to themselves. Anything that Kunomi have, they want it to be their own. But they don't know that it's not possible like that. Whether they bury pot, they bury head of cow, they bury anything, even monkey cow, monkey head, they are not still going to succeed. So according to alleged information reaching us, we heard that Olori Mariam and Ronke, that they were caught at the royal manor where they went to drop juju, pot of juju, and they were caught red-handed. My people, as they were asking them, why did you keep this juju there, and what is it for? They said that sometimes sef they don't even hide their feelings, especially Aunty Igbi. Not that her own is that she don't hide feelings. She was like, is it only Queen Naomi that supposed to that knows how to be in a beautiful place like this royal manor? That they all want to be there now, but Kabiyesi did not want them to be. So they are like, they want to do something so that Queen Naomi will be scared of going there again, so that maybe they themselves will go there and stay. And I was like, even if Kunomi said that she's not coming back to the palace again and again, do they think that Kabiyesi will ever allow them to go and stay in that royal manor? Just imagine. These people said they know they think twice. Oh. Even if Kabiyesi, even if Kabiyesi and Kunomi no marry again, do they even think that Kabiyesi is going to allow them go into that royal manor? Talk more of staying there, living there. They are joking. Okay, the same Kayamata, the same Juju, they buried in that new Olori's quarter. That is Yeyoluwa's house that Kabiyesi is building for Queen Naomi. The same Kayamata they also buried there. So anything that concern Queen Naomi, they will always go and keep Kayamata there. Do they think that the Kayamata is affecting Queen Naomi in any way? It doesn't affect her. She is bigger than all their Juju and Babalawo. Queen Naomi is bigger than all of them. So they are just wasting their time. And this one, they even went and dropped at the royal manor. I just wish the Kabiyesi would just tell them to go and carry it and keep in their own room. Anything they wish Kunomi, let it go back to them. Anyway, all this fight that Kunomi is fighting in this palace, the thing is becoming too much. It's becoming too much. In short, the main thing now is for Kabiyesi to set Kunomi free. Let Kunomi go her way, because I'm not seeing this thing working. And the Kunomi's brother have also come to Kabiyesi to tell Kabiyesi that you need to set my sister free. Oh. That this kind of marriage is not working at all. If you want her to remain your wife, do the needful. Let all these Oloris leave the palace, because we heard that all of them are now back to the palace, because Toby came back and they now came back and stay in the palace. Since Kabiyesi said that Toby is not going to leave, then now Kabiyesi have also changed his mind, saying that Toby should leave. We don't know which one to believe. Is it that Toby is leaving or not? Don't know. Me, I no know. Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are alleged. But you see this Kayamata they bury in the royal manor. The same way some of the cats died, that is the same way all of them are going to die for burying Kayamata against Queen Naomi. Any form of juju that they have caused, that have buried in Queen Naomi's house, God is going to reverse it to them. Any of their plan, anything that they want the juju to work, it will go back to them and do the same thing. Even self, this Mariam know the rest. You see this Mariam, she know the rest. The first time you brought something against Tadenikawo, it went back to your own son. The second time again, you sent sickness against Tade. It's your own son that was attacked, that was struck with sickness. Upon that, you don't want to rest. Is it Olori Blue? Fake woman. Do you know why I call her fake woman? Because that woman is something else. A woman that will have the heart to go and hide her son and come out to be accusing other Oloris that they are the one responsible for her son's missing. When the son now came out, she started saying that, hey, it's not as if she did this. Kabiyesi should forgive her, that she doesn't want her son to follow her husband to the place where her husband is living, that snake will bite her son, this and that. That is why I call her fake woman. So all this Kaya matter and juju they are hiding, they are keeping for Queen Naomi. Thank God that Queen Naomi is not there right now. But even if Queen Naomi is there, this na so back to sender. All the Kaya matter will be back to sender, back to sender. Yes. So guys, they say that when Kabiyesi heard that these people kept Kaya matter in Queen Naomi's royal manor, Kabiyesi called them. And when Kabiyesi called them, they did not even hide feelings. They opened up and told Kabiyesi that since you don't want us to enjoy staying in the palace, you said that we are leaving. Look at this beautiful royal manor. They said that if you see what they built in that royal manor, is something else. The royal manor is where kings from outside the country that visited the Ife, that is where they stay. So they build extraordinary things there, beautify it. Hey, that place it's like, I don't know, will I say London, but London get place wey no too beautiful for London now. So that place is so okay. So they were like, why wouldn't they be jealous of Queen Naomi? Like, why did you carry Queen Naomi and put in that royal manor alone, and you expect them to live in Olori's quarter? That kind of thing is not happening. So they want Queen Naomi to come out of that place. They kept that thing so that Queen Naomi will see it and be afraid of entering that place. Queen Naomi cannot be afraid of them. Just that Queen Naomi is just being careful because of what Tadenikawo. Guys, let me tell you the truth. Why Queen Naomi is leaving the palace every time? Whenever these people feel the palace, Queen Naomi will leave is because of Tadenikawo. If not for Tade, these women and Queen Naomi will give it to themselves, woto. But Queen Naomi doesn't have time for them. She's too busy for all this nonsense. Anyway, Kaya matter no know Queen Naomi. So now those people will carry and come. When the Kaya matter look around, they no see Queen Naomi. No be those people will carry and come when you go look for. Yes, now you start looking for those that carry it and come. So Queen Naomi no go back to that palace now until Kabiyesi send these Ifa wives away from the palace. Then when you come back, you relax. Thank God that your brothers and sisters and your mother too understand what is happening right now. They understand what is on board. If you yourself, now you be the problem. Now Queen Naomi be the problem here now, because small time now she will say that she's going back to the palace. She's going back to the palace. It's better she stayed in that Akure house. Let Kabiyesi fix so many things. Let both Tobiloba and her twins leave the palace first. Anyway, don't forget that all of these are alleged information. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. I love you guys. Bye.